Welcome to Pierce and Bryson. Currently, there are 5 Turo insurance plans that you can select as protection for your vehicle. The Turo protection plans consist of the Turo 60, Turo 75, Turo 80, Turo 85, and Turo 90. Most Turo hosts have difficult time figuring out which Turo insurance plan to select. Pierce and Bryson will share Turo insurance plan business concept that Turo Power host Conrad Layn created. If you want to learn everything there is about Turo, you can subscribe to Conrad Layn's social media accounts on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We have listed Turo Power host Conrad Layn's social media accounts in the video description section of this video. Now we will share this easy-to-do concept that will help you select the correct Turo insurance plan. Selecting Turo insurance plan concept is as followed. Step 1. Select Turo 60 insurance plan, which offers $0 deductible, which means if claim occurs you do not have to pay any deductible and will not have any out-of-pocket expense for vehicle claim. Turo 60 plan protects your income and profit since there is $0 deductible. The worst can occur if, for example, you select Turo plan with deductible and on your first few trips you have Turo claim, and now you have to pay for deductible, which can put you in the negative financially and wipe out any profits. Turo 60 protects you since the deductible is $0. The only factor is that Turo 60 plan can be very expensive since Turo 60 pays Turo 40% of every dollar earned and Turo host earns 60% of every dollar earned, which is why this Turo plan is called the 60. Step 2. Once the Turo host earns $250 you upgrade to the Turo 75, which has $250 deductible. Now the Turo host just received 15% pay raise because now Turo host earns 75% of every dollar and Turo earns 25% of every dollar. If Turo claim occurs, then Turo host already saved $250 for the deductible, so it doesn't affect the profitability because you saved the needed deductible. Step 3. You simply rinse and repeat, and now you save $750, which is the Turo 80 plan deductible. And then you upgrade to Turo 80, which means you received 5% pay raise since Turo host earns 80% of every dollar and Turo earns 20% of every dollar while on Turo 80 insurance plan. Step 4. Turo host saves $1,625, which is the deductible for the Turo 85 insurance plan. Turo host now can upgrade to Turo 85 while at the same time receiving another 5% pay increase. Step 5. Last but definitely not least. Turo host will save $2,500 and upgrade to Turo 90. Turo Insurance Plan 90 has the most expensive deductible, which is $2,500, but Turo host earns the most income, which is 90% of each dollar, while Turo earns 10% of each dollar. This strategy allows any Turo host to protect their income and profits while constantly moving up the chain to receive more income while at the same time saving enough to afford the deductible if claim occurs. This also promotes saving because if accident doesn't occur then you save $2,500. And if claim occurs you can easily afford the Turo 90 plan deductible. Thank you for learning with us today. If you want to learn more Turo business strategies, we listed Turo Power host Conrad Layn's social media accounts in video description. You can find Pierce and Bryson on our social media channels YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and piercebryson.com.